Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to describe the very first poem of the textbook, that is My Mother at 66. This poem has been written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das, you all know. If you don't know, I'm explaining it, that Kamla Das was a modernized poet, and he used to write using a name Madhavi Kutti, and she was awarded by Kerala Padma Vibhushan also. All his poetry, whatever Kamla Das has written up to his life in 2009, whatever she has written, all the poetry has a biographical element in it, autobiographical element in it. It means somehow all those poetry describe her personal life. So in this poetry also, My Mother at 66, the main theme of this poetry is the emotion or the feeling of an individual when someone loses her dear one, especially the aging parents. So in this poetry, My Mother at 66, she describes about her mother, how she went to meet her mother, and when she was coming back, what were the emotion that was coming in her mind, and how she got rid of it. So the poet has used various poetic devices to explain her thought very particularly and very nicely to the readers. So if you will read the entire poem, you will find that there is no rhyming scheme in it. But if you will count the numbers of the lines of the poetry, you will find it to be 14. And if I tell that it is having 14 lines in it, so you must have developed this idea that this poem will be a sonnet. But unfortunately, this poem is not a sonnet. Every poetry of 14 line will not be a sonnet. There is a certain criteria on the basis of which we have to match it with them, and then we can consider it as sonnet. So this sonnet is not having any particular rhyming scheme, and beside having 14 lines, this is not having any rhyming scheme in it. So once again, there is two probability that all the poetry which does not have any rhyming scheme in it, either they will be a free verse or a blank verse. Blank verse are comparatively longer poetic lines, but the free verse is a smaller lines. And if you will recite this poetry, you can easily find out that this My Mother at 66 has a smaller poetic lines. On the basis of that, we can easily identify this is a poetic example of free verse. Let's move forward. If you will read the poetry from top to bottom, where this poem starts, coming from my mother's house from last Friday, up to smile, 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 you can easily found that there is no punctuation mark in it. From start to end, there is no punctuation mark. This is a type of poetry. This is called enjambment. When there is no punctuation mark, there is a full stop at the end. Ideas start from the starting, and when it comes at the end, there is a full stop. This is called enjambment. So two things, keep this thing in your mind, that first one is that this poetry is a free verse because it is not having any rhyming scheme in it, and second thing is that this poetry is a type of enjambment. Now beside all these, if you want to read any poetry, you have to find out the hard words in it. Some hard words are easily found in the dictionary, rest are the pair of words or some time of word which has its personal or special meaning, that is called connotation. And the similar, if the word is having simple day-to-day word meaning, that will be a denotation. So first, before winding up this video, I will advise you to find out the denotation and connotation from this poetry, and when I will come next through this video lesson, I will describe you the poetry line by line. Thank you.